Hi, I hope that you're extremely good. On this lesson, I'm going to teach you English grammar. Firstly, what is the actual meaning of the word grammar? I want you to understand it. Grammar just means rules and principles that are used in writing and speaking English. And in English grammar, there are 8 major parts of speech, which are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Preposition. We also have conjunction and interjection. Right. I'm going to explain to you what do we mean by all these. The first one, noun. A noun is a naming word, meaning it's a name of anything. So it can be a name of people, things, or places. Right. Now, pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun, or a word that represents a noun. Okay. I know that you want to know examples of nouns. And you are asking, if I say names of people, now you're asking maybe, is your name a noun? Yes, definitely you are correct. Your name is a noun. So, a name of anyone is a noun. A name of a school is a noun. As long as it is a name, as long as it is a naming word, it will be a noun. And now a pronoun, as I told you, it is a word that represents a noun, or a word that replaces a noun. For instance, let's say you are describing your sister, let me say Elizabeth. You are talking about your sister Elizabeth. Instead of keep on saying Elizabeth, 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 you are going to replace her name with she. So now she becomes a pronoun. So these are examples of pronouns. Let me use another color so that you see it. So examples of pronouns like she. I hope that is clear. Is it clear? Oh, unfortunately it's not clear, so I will have to continue using the black color then. Right, now, as I told you that she is an example of a what? Of a pronoun. What is another example of a pronoun? It's a word that replaces a noun, or a word that represents a noun. Right, instead of saying John, 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 maybe your brother John, you have to say ye, because it becomes boring. Keep on saying Elizabeth, Elizabeth, or John, 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 John. Let's say you are talking or you are describing something that happened about many people. Instead of keep on saying John, Peter, and Susan, John, Peter, and Susan, you are going to say they, right? So there are a lot of pronouns, and a pronoun that can represent you. Let's say you are writing a composition about yourself. You can't keep on saying, because I know that you might start by saying, my name is Chimuti. You can't keep on saying Chimuti, Chimuti. Instead of saying that, you start to use, unfortunately we don't have enough space, you start to use the pronoun I. So there are a lot of pronouns. What you just have to know is a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun, or that represents a noun. And examples of nouns, what's your name? That one. That is a noun. And also, to say Zimbabwe, it's also a noun, because it's a name of a country. South Africa is a noun. So, a naming word, a name of a place, a name of a person, a name of things, or a thing, all of them, they are nouns. Now, what is an adjective? It's very simple and straightforward. An adjective, it is a word that describes a noun. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Let's say you are talking about a girl. If you say that she is gorgeous, what is the adjective there? Gorgeous. Because the word gorgeous is describing how she looks. Handsome is an adjective because it describes a noun. Big, it can be also an adjective because it will be describing. You can say Mount Kilimanjaro is very big. You are describing a what? Mount Kilimanjaro, which is our noun. You are describing it with which word? Big. So big, it becomes an adjective. Even ugly can be also an adjective. It doesn't mean that adjective should be good. They can be also bad. Anyway, you don't have to use bad words. It's not good. Right. Then, so I gave you examples of adjective. We said ugly, beautiful, etc., etc. Then, if you want to understand the remaining terms, what a verb is, what an adverb is, what is a preposition, conjunction and interjection, you should watch the next English lesson on Sempov TV. I hope that you benefited from this lesson and now you know what a noun is, what a pronoun is, and what is an adjective. I shall explain and clarify all of them. Unfortunately, because of our time on this lesson, I'm going to only end here. I will end here, and I have explained to you noun, pronoun, and adjective. I hope that you are going to share this video or to tell your friends that are struggling with English so that they also benefit. Stay focused.